Hey, good afternoon and welcome to the shop. As you can see, I'm working on some things in the shop here to work on a problem that a lot of us have, and that's space. Trying to figure out where I can gain some space with the tools that I have and not lose mobility at the same time and functionality. So one of the issues I have is with my planer. I love my planer, works great. It's been on a 4-foot bench for quite a number of years now. Rolls in and out, so that's really good. The issue that I have is when I roll it against the wall, it still sticks out a couple of feet further than I want, so I lose some floor space. So I came up with a solution. Yeah, we cut it in half. Well, that's okay for space. The problem is I really liked that extra couple of feet, so when I was sending a board through, I didn't have to run around and get that board before it fell to the floor. So I came up with another solution. Let's take a look. Yeah, we hinged that piece that we cut off. We built a couple corbels. Now there's one on the other side, but I don't need it for this purpose right now. Holds that up. I have good solid footing here, so when a board comes out, it's going to land on there if I can't run around there and catch it. And when I'm done, I can now store a 2-foot table instead of a 4-foot table. Hope this helps somebody else out there. Have a great day.